is December 1st, 2019. Last day of regular duck season here in mid-Michigan. And we had a pond yesterday with several hundred waterfowl in it. And we're back here today, but obviously it's a nice snowy day. So we'll see what happens.
Killers, but we got a lot of shooters.
Make sure that four-wheeler
That's
don't
right.
run this gun over. I mean, that's the only one doing killing things.
Oh god, here we go.
Oh, you can see.
What's gonna happen today, Bobby?
Some fucking killing.
What's up, bud? Good boy, let's go. Good boy. Good boy. That's a good boy. Hey, good boy. Good boy, good boy. Yeah.
Kill them last. No.
Morning.
Morning. Damn it, we have not done very good yet. Welcome to the motherfucking show. Dude, when that ball like 40 or 50 came in.
Up top, that was stupid.
You got more coming.
What does Robert think of that call?
I think we need to kill him. If you guys want to do that, we can do it.
If we could get like around this point, or even down to that point where the ducktails are.
Try him.
Do it. Where'd he go?
Right there.
Go get him, Doc. Hey, right here. Doc, right there. Go get him. Doc, go get him, right there. No, Doc, here.
I was the only one to shoot. There's 3 right here that were in range.
Doc, right there. Go get him.
I didn't see that one either.
Doc, right there. Get him.
Yeah, them 3 wasn't killing, but then I got
Good boy.
that one's jumping. That was fucking awesome.
That
Was way fucking
That was a
poke.
Good boy. Come on. Good boy, right here. Atta boy, Doc. Atta boy, right here. Come on. Hey, now, right here. Doc, here.
I hit him and he dropped like 10 feet and then just started scoring.
Good boy.
And I'm like,
Good boy. Good boy. Drop.
kill him!
That's a good boy. Go get him. Let's go. Good boy, bring him here, come on. Good boy, good boy. Good boy, drop. Come on, over here. go this boy. Good boy. Come on. I'm coming. Come here. Come here. Give him. Hey, Doc. Doc, go get it. Over there. Go get it. Yeah. Atta boy. Atta boy. Come on, buddy.
Good ones, that nice water stuff. Boy, that.
Atta boy. Atta boy. Good boy. Come on, buddy.
The goose that we wanted to work with great.
Good boy.
Yep. Wait. Kill him. Kill those two. Kill those two guys. Okay.
Yeah, I know. Go get him, Doc. Go get him.
Let's go, boys.
Yeah.
Tag teamed him. Smoke that fucker.
You go get him.
Smoke those things. I can smell something burning. I'm like, something's burning.
Atta boy, Doc. Atta boy. What caught on fire?
Skinner.
You caught on fire?
Oh, there's a piece of grass.
They're turning.
Oh, atta boy.
Kill him! What did we get? 3? Watch that sailor. Watch that sailor. Kill that bird. Kill that bird.
Kill him.
Kill him. I don't have a shell.
Get him, Doc. Get him.
Get him, Doc.
Get him, Doc. Get him, Doc.
Get him, Doc. Get him.
Oh God. Go get that bird.
I can't shoot him. And
Here, Doc. Here. Come here, buddy. Come on. I don't want the dog by him. Hey, come here, Doc. Come here. Come on. Let's go. Get him, Doc. Good boy. Good boy, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Come on. Good boy. Get him. Get him. Good boy.